My video guide will provide you with help to remove malicious type of software, which is ransomware. The ransomware is called ScRansom. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting it. In the video, I'll just show you how damaging the ransomware is. So, before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ScRansom ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. And then very soon, users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware appends this encrypted extension and also reveals a special ransom note titled as How to Recovery Files. The English, of course, is not really good in this text. To remove this ransomware, I recommend you to use a special software called Combo Cleaner. Get it on the website combocleaner.com. So go to this official website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and once it is successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the Start Scan button. After you do that, the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential. So do not skip this very important step. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.